Hello guys, this is our Canicorso puppies, 6 months old. Pero ang laki-laki nila. See? Oh, this is Formentino, blue brindle. Is this a red brindle?
This two and this one. This one is important. This one is expensive.
Okay, so
For me.
it's all female, right? The available?
Always female.
All female.
Oh, this one is boy.
This one. Oh, Formentino is a boy. Okay. He's still available. And this one? Oh, the red brindle? And this one.
This two brindle. This one and another one.
Okay, this one and the other one. Look at them. Are they 6 months old, right?
Almost 6 months.
Almost 6 months.
1st January. 1st January and 3rd January.
Oh. You're in New Year, huh?
Yeah.
Their birthday is New Year, guys.
exactly.
Yeah. See? They're so big. Look at them. Oh. That's our Petard, the owner of the kennel.
Very, very grateful person.
See?
He's very kind.
They have a very good genes. Height, body structure, very, very good. Oh, look at that, oh. See? Wow. So big. Come on, come on, come on. Come up, come up, come up. Come up. There you go. Oh, no fighting. Hello. Shh, no, no, no. Hello. They have a very good height and structure. For 5 months old, they're so big. Going 6 months. Very good cover here. It's a red Brenda. You can visit their page, Tapure, right, sir?
Yeah.
Tapure on Facebook. See? Very, very beautiful. Ang ganda ng ano nila guys. Oh. Tingnan yan yung kennel po nila, Mr. Petter. Yan. Hey, hey.
No. No.
Going up. Grabe, ang lalaki, oh. Ang lalaki. 6 months old. Ang lalaki. Eh. Grabe, ganda. Super ganda. Tatlo na lang yung available, guys, ah.